Hey, Josh Brum here with Soligent in sunny California. A California NEM 2 alert. California NEM 2 alert. We have a news update on some requirements and how imperative it is for you to get in gear in reaching out to your prospects and customers to get them locked in under NEM 2 status. Right now, your competitors are reaching out and getting their materials. Right now, being proactive, talking to their customers and their prospects and signing deals right now to get under the NEM 2 deadline. April 13th at 5 p.m. What will be required? Requirements are a completed and accurate interconnect agreement for your customer. A single line wiring diagram is a have to as well. Completed California CSLB solar energy system disclosure and a signed California consumer protection guide. All of these things are required for you to get your customers locked in and their systems locked in under NEM 2 status. Anything short of that or after that deadline on April 13th at 5 p.m. will mean automatically going into NEM 3 status. And we'll have future videos talking about how to turn that into a positive by providing energy storage opportunities and options for your customers to make that return on investment work out under NEM 3. But if you want to get your customers locked in under NEM 2, you've got to do it right now. Time is of the essence. The due date is coming up. Your competitors, they're getting their materials. They're talking to their customers. They're getting these deals signed right now because time is of the essence. Don't wait until it's too late. Don't wait until the last second. Lock your customers in under NEM 2 right now. Now is the time to do that. Friendly reminder, CALSA, fighting for our rights in the solar industry, California Solar and Storage Association. They are offering a discount code to join CALSA, their organization. All you've got to do is go to calssa.org/join, calsa.org/join, and type in Soligent for your discount code and get 10% off and join CALSA. Join the revolution. We've got to get your customers in under NEM 2. Got to get them in now. Talk to your prospects. Your competitors are doing it. Are you? Get that call list going and click on the link below to reach out to a Soligent specialist today. We'll get you the materials you need to lock your customers in under NEM 2. We've got stock in California ready to go right now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Josh Brum, Energy Storage Manager. Coming up, NEM 3 details how to utilize energy storage as well after the deadline. But right now, get them locked in under NEM 2 while you still can. Thanks for joining us here at the Soligent YouTube channel. Have a great day.